Welcome to my ImageJ analysis tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to download the software, start it up, and run a histogram analysis. So to begin, you'll want to search for the software on Google and click on the second result, and then select your appropriate operating system. In my case, it's Windows. You'll download the zip file, and then extract the zip file. Open the extracted folder, and then this will be the ImageJ software. So this is what the software looks like. The small rectangle doesn't take up the entire window. To analyze an image using this, you'll want to go to File, Open, select the image you want to analyze. Then once you have the image open, you'll want to select a region on the image for the software to analyze. So to do this, you can use the rectangle tool, the oval tool, and a number of these other selection tools. In this case, we'll be using the rectangle tool. So click and drag to draw a rectangle. You can draw a rectangle of any size on the image. And then once the rectangle is drawn, you can click on the edge pieces to change the shape, or you can click on the center to move it around. Now to analyze the area within this rectangle, you go to Analyze, and in this case we'll be running a histogram analysis, so click on Histogram. And this shows you all the grayscale values for the pixels within this rectangle. So if you were to change the rectangle size, it'll change the area being analyzed. And you can move the rectangle around and it'll change the data in real time if you click this live button here. So now whenever you move the rectangle, you can see that the pixel data is changing in real time. Now using this data, it's possible to quantify cleanliness, which is what our lab used it for. It's important to note that when you're analyzing an area, especially if you're using it to quantify cleanliness like we did, it's important that you only select the region you're interested in and not any of the background or other parts of the image. So say you're trying to analyze the control 1 slide here. You'll want to draw a rectangle appropriately sized to fit within the area. And the same for all the other slides. And then once you draw the rectangle, you don't have to remake one each time. You can just make one and then move it around by clicking in the center. That makes sense. Alright, hopefully that was helpful. That's how to run a histogram analysis in a nutshell.